We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important questions for SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notifications. So today's first question is, Mendel emasculated garden pea plant. Emasculation is a process where removal of male part is done, that is anther, which has pollens. So it is remover of anther. Option B. A cross in which parents differ in a single pair of contrasting character is called monohybrid cross. The hybrid progeny in the first generation is called, the first generation one is called F1 hybrid or the filial 1 hybrid. That is option B. Monohybrid ratio is, monohybrid phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic is what is the appearance. That is, phenotypic ratio is 3:1, whereas genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So when nothing is mentioned and we can see from the options, we have 3:1. That is, phenotypic ratio is asked. So monohybrid ratio in the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. The genotypic ratio in the monohybrid cross, as said earlier, the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, where the one gene is of dominant, the other is recessive, and the middle two is hybrid type. And talking in terms of Mendel, it is capital T, the one, and the other one, that is small t, and the two are capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So your option B is the answer. F3 generation is obtained by selfing of F2 generation. That is option B. The crossing of F1 to any one of the parent is called, crossing of F1 means the first generation with any one of the parents is called back cross. Option A. Whereas test cross is dominant phenotype crossed with homogeneous recessive genotype. That is, dominant phenotype, that can be capital T or capital T small t, where the dominant feature is the capital T and it's crossed with homogeneous recessive, that is both small t. That is test cross, but here the answer is back cross, option A. Monohybrid test cross ratio is, it is 1:1. The phenotypic dihybrid ratio is 9:3:3:1, whereas monotypic dihybrid ratios for genotypic ratio is 3:1. Here option D is the correct answer. The best method to determine the homozygosity and the heterozygosity of an individual is by test cross. Option C, where as said earlier, in test cross the dominant phenotypic form is crossed with homozygous recessive genotype. Option C is the answer.
We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.
All of these obey Mendel's law except independent assortment. Yes, this is from Mendel's law, the law of dominance, even the law of segregation, that is purity of gametes, that all the pure gametes are segregated finally. So the one which does not obey Mendel's law is linkage. Option A. The innate tendency of offspring to resemble their parents is called heredity. Option B. Who is regarded as the father of genetics? The father of genetics is George Mendel. So he is option C, Mendel. Mendel's findings were rediscovered by who rediscovered Mendel's finding? So the one who discovered Mendel's finding were three people: Hugo de Vries, Carl Collins, and Heinrich von Techtmark. That is all of the above, as A, B, and C, all three rediscovered Mendel's findings. So option D, all of the above, is the correct answer. Genotype is the genetic constitution. Option A. That is individual collection of genes. That is genotype. The alternate form of a gene is called alleles. Option C. The number of type of gamete produced by a homozygous individual is, okay, what is homozygous individual? That is, let's consider it to be AA and BB. From one parent it is capital A, from other parent it is capital B. So the type of gametes will be AB and AB. There will be two gametes, but both will be of same type. So the type of gamete is 1. Option A. Mendel was an Austrian monk. Option B is the correct answer. Peptide bond is an amide type of covalent bonds. So they are covalent bond. Option A. Last question. The average molecular weight of an amino acid residue in a protein is about 110 Dalton. The unit here is Dalton. So option C is the correct answer. That is 110 Dalton.
We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.
Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.